Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna tell you some remaining vegetable names in English. This is the video in relation to the previous two videos. This is a part 3. Let's begin. The first vegetable is limbu, and we call lemon in English. We use olive for zaytun, greens for saag, pumpkin for petakadu, arum for arvi, apple gourd we use for tinda, bottle gourd is loki, and gourd itself is kia kaddu. So these are the videos in a series and attempt to make you aware of these vegetable names. Being Urdu speaker, we have to know about them, and I hope you've been got much from these videos, and I hope you've been got my point. Thanks for watching me, and remember your prayers, and stay tuned with me to have more educational videos like these ones. Thank you.